We chillin', yeah, we chillin', yeah, we chillin', with the chillon, yeah, we chillin' with the chillons.
Hello, welcome to Chillin with the Chisholms. Okay, I am Miss Chisholm. All right, I just got finished working out, so please excuse the sweatiness. Okay, of course, I worked out to work hard, praise hard, the one and only Tianda. Okay, if you have not seen our video where we showed her shirts and her work hard, praise hard cards, definitely check that video out. Okay, she had an awesome sale for Mother's Day and everything, so if you haven't, I need you to go on over there. Okay, so I just finished working out. Now I'm about to do my shakes and everything, so I'm gonna show you in detail how I do it. Okay, I had like a little short of it, but today we about to get into it. Okay, so let's turn the camera around. Okay, so my recipe requires 1/2 cup of milk. I use almond milk, cashew milk, oat milk, whatever kind of milk you like. I do not like cow milk, so I prefer almond. Then I do 1/3 cup of water, and then I do this little thing of lemon juice. This says 14.7 cc. Okay, these are the jars that I put it in. These are the tomato sauce that we like, and I keep these glass jars because they make great smoothie containers, juices, whatever you want to put in there, they're great for that. Okay, so over here I have my flax seed, I have my chia seeds, I have my vital proteins, collagen peptides, and I have my protein. So this one is almost empty. When this runs out, I'm going to use this one. And I have these in these containers, so of course I'm going to use this one up first and then move on to this one. Okay, and this is the blender that I'm currently using. I had the single serve blender, but it started smoking and almost lit on fire, y'all, so I had to let that go. Okay, so this is the blender that I'm going to be using. I'm going to show you how I kind of set it up and everything. These are my eggs in here. I make my boiled eggs in bulk, and I just took the shells off of 4 of them, and I took some hot water out of this bad boy and I put it on there. So those are going to be getting warm, and I'm going to take my vitamins, supplements, everything. I do B12, D3, this women's probiotic, ginger root, turmeric, apple cider vinegar, and this is vitamin C. So I'm about to jump in the shower while those eggs are heating up, and I'm going to eat these eggs while I make my shakes. Okay, it's time to put it all together. Okay, so I have my little thing of lemon juice. I have my 1/3 cup of water and my 1/2 cup of almond milk. Okay, so I go ahead and prep my liquids first. Then I take this container of liquid and I come over here, and in my blender I start with the 1 cup of fruit, And today I'm using this one. I use anything that has like stuff that I like strawberries, pineapples, mangoes, bananas, anything along those lines. So I start with the fruit, then I pour the liquid in, okay? Then I go in with my powder. So first we're gonna start with the protein. Put that in there. Then we're gonna go with the collagen. Then we're gonna do the flaxseed. And with this same spoon, I get my chia seeds. And that's it, y'all. That's the mix, okay? So I'm gonna put the top on and blend it. So in all, I'm making 6 shakes. This is the very first one. I drink the very first one. And then I make the 4, and then by the time I get to the last one, I'll be done with this one, and I'll rinse this out and then put the 5th one to store back in this one. That's why I only had 5 jars out, but in all it's 6. And as you can see, we at the bottom, it was good, okay? It was good, okay? So this one is done and ready to pour. This is the last of the fruit from that first kind that I showed y'all. I finished both of those bags. It was like a little bit in one, and then the other one was brand new. So now I'm about to open this strawberry banana blend. So, you know, anything I like, strawberries, bananas, pineapples, mangoes, all that kind of stuff, peaches, all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to pour this, and I use like a little spoon to help me get everything out of here. This is definitely hard to do with the one hand, but we're going to do it, okay? So then I take it over here and just pour it. Just like that, and I use the spoon to get like all of the rest of that out, and this is how it will look when it's done. Y'all, I went on a rampage, okay, and somehow I made more than what I was trying to make. So it was supposed to be the 5, and then I made the 1 and drank it, but then I had another set of ingredients out, so I ended up making 4 with that first bag of fruit, and then these are the banana and strawberry blend. So, and I told y'all this jar was from the tomato sauce that we use, but this one is actually from the pepperoncinis. The one from the tomato sauce is a little wider. So this is where I get the jars from, and I love these. As you can see, I have a full supply of the jars. So this is what we have for the week. Okay, super excited. And this blend was from the first bag again. And these are the strawberry and banana, and you can kind of see it's like a slight difference in color. That particular blend, I felt like it was more banana than strawberry, and I don't know how I feel about that. So I really like that blend, so I'm gonna have to buy some more of that. But these are the smoothies, okay? It is currently 11:23. All right, so I need to wash the blender, wash the dishes, do all of this stuff, and then I might get into bed. Okay, I clean all of this just to make sure it's nothing. See how some like seeped in the crevices and stuff. I clean all that, clean the counters, all that kind of stuff, because that little dust powder gets everywhere. Okay, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video, okay, of me making shakes. And let me know in the comments what y'all put in y'all shakes or smoothies. I am interested to know. And after eating those 4 eggs and that smoothie, I'm pretty good. I probably won't eat again until like 5, 6, 7, to be honest. I am doing ADF, so it's been working out. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, do all of the things. Okay, and until next time, we'll be chilling. I'll see y'all in the next video.